I love crispy corn, and this place upstairs in Pokhara was really good. It was the first time I had seen this new-to-me restaurant in my favorite Nepali city. They advertise a chill vibe, and it really did feel that way. The whole seating area is wide open with really great views of the lakeside main drive. They don't have regular AC, but they bring over a cooler to your table and kind of try to keep you from being hot. I had the salt and pepper crispy corn and the little fish. The food was really good, but the atmosphere was even better.
Meat or chunks?